Profit and loss comes only after you start commercial production. That means whatever, no bank will say you pay me interest after you start commercial production. Loan is disbursed, meter down, chalo, clock is ticking. Now whether you delay, you are not able to acquire land for your BOT project, that's your bloody problem. My meter is down. It's as simple as that. That interest till start of commercial production is what is known as IDC. Thank you again. That IDC is a part of pre-operative expenses. Please note, an IDC, since there is no profit and loss account, an IDC is typically capitalized. Now, before I go to capitalize, what could be pre-operative expenses? Interest during construction, it could be raw material charges, wages paid till commissioning of the plant, right? Take your examples, anything to do with before operations. The accounting treatment is, and I will come to the tax treatment also, is to capitalize it. What do you mean by capitalize it? Is add it to your asset cost. Please add it to your asset cost. Take it to balance sheet. Though it is, Ashishji, though it is a profit and loss item, sir, please capitalize it. So this, sir, what is capitalize is, you can, Khandela sir, Mayur sir, you can add it to any cost of asset. You take a choice. My request to all of you all, including you, sir, you should advise your clients, and I tell my clients this, all the 8 headings are in front of you. My advice to clients is, as far as possible, thank you, please capitalize it against plant and machinery. This is a wonderful audience. Before I said it, many colleagues said it. If you are wondering why we are saying it, ma'am, it again goes back to what we discussed, right? I'm not even looking that side. Highest depreciation tax shield. So the way we ask our clients to structure it is, take a bank loan and then place an order for plant and machinery, so that the transaction is, bank loan is used there. Excuse me, if you are, I don't know, but my esteemed colleague there who asked a wonderful question which really can come through practice. If you are looking at capital gains, not depreciation tax shield, then maybe you may use that loan to purchase land also. But having said that, please note, I can't give a specific solution because I don't know the case. What I am trying to say here is, thank you again, Harish sir, 90% of the time you capitalize it against plant and machinery because you are enjoying tax shield. If I am taking this session, let's say for a company which is going to be incorporated in Dubai, when there is no taxes, then I think we don't need to invest time talking about tax shield. But there you still have an incidence of capital gains. Then you possibly look at capitalizing it towards land. What do you mean by capitalize? One last thing. Capitalize basically means, suppose your cost of plant and machinery is 10 crores and you are having an IDC, interest during construction, of 1 crore. Now your cost of plant and machinery in your books is going to be 11 crores. So your depreciation is not on 10 crores, your depreciation, with your permission, I'll use this term again, tax shield is on 11 crores. Pleasure. Sabiji, I'm starting with you in a minute. Please note, thanks again, I know for the second time I'm doing it, IDC. I'm looking at some colleagues and saying this, if you are in infra companies or in real estate, IDC as a percentage of pre-operative will be upwards of 60 to 65%. If you are asking me specifically for road projects, 70% of upwards, 70 to 80% of your pre-operative expenses IDC. Real estate, thank you. Real estate, the major contributor of pre-operative will be IDC. And here there is a term which I want to discuss in greater detail, right? Now, please note, I like to talk about this post-lunch. I'll tell you why. I changed the model, right? Because I wanted to do structuring. That's why I took a lot of SP. Normally I do this post-lunch, but I said, why should I wait till lunch? This is a good audience. You should ask me anything on SPVR, right? Because I took it earlier by design. The training was by design. One thing about interest, right, which I want to talk about, and then break for lunch. Post-lunch, we will discuss all these three. And We already started structuring. Thanks for that. Thank you very much for that. Please note is moratorium. Whenever you are talking about real estate, whenever you are talking about infra projects, whenever you are talking about gestation period, there is this very, very important term which comes into play. That important term which comes into play is what is known as moratorium. I will just like to just introduce moratorium first.